Good. I had to think what day it is. Good Thursday evening, everyone. This is Corey here with 0 Meter Chasers. I want to give you guys a quick update on the potential for severe weather tomorrow. Now, we're not looking at a big event by no means, but we haven't seen severe weather here in Kentucky for, I don't know, a couple months now at least. Been pretty quiet here in the Kentucky, Tennessee area for quite some time. So definitely want to jump on tonight, give you guys a quick update on kind of what to expect tomorrow, what the latest outlook is here from the Storm Prediction Center. What you're looking at here is the latest Storm Prediction Center outlook. I'll zoom out here just a little bit so we got the entire Kentucky, Tennessee area. This darker green area you see is a marginal risk. That is the lowest severe risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center. It is a level 1. And this yellow risk that you see here across portions of Middle Tennessee into Central and Eastern Kentucky, all the way up into portions of West Virginia and Ohio. That is a slight risk level 2. Again, like I just said, it's been quite some time since we've had severe weather here in the Central Kentucky, Middle Tennessee area. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. So, don't expect any change, like significant changes from the Storm Prediction Center. Expect this to probably stay a level 2 slight risk. Could get expanded just a little bit depending on how the data during the overnight and into early tomorrow morning, how it evolves. But nonetheless, still expecting to see this slight risk here across portions of Kentucky. Zoom in here just a little bit. That slight risk is mainly from Russellville all the way up to Frankfort line there and to the east. So all of Central Kentucky, a good deal of Eastern Kentucky, and then of course there the northern part of Middle Tennessee, Nashville, all the way down to Franklin, just north of Springfield, then over to Cookeville. So that is the latest update there from the Storm Prediction Center. Wanted to talk about the levels here. Again, just a level 2 slight risk. That's the highest area that we have here. This means that we have an increased confidence that some storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and some tornado potential as well. Some of those storms could be significant. Again, can't stress this enough. Don't want anybody to be freaking out or anything like that. We're not expecting a major severe weather outbreak by no means. But since we haven't had any severe weather here in Central Kentucky, or really anything impactful at all other than extreme heat, and an extreme drought, or getting into an extreme drought here over the last little bit. Not really had a whole lot going on here in Kentucky or Tennessee. So just wanted to make sure everybody was aware of the potential for severe weather tomorrow. And we'll definitely be here watching things very closely. So, again, not going to spend a whole lot of time with you guys tonight. Just wanted to get in with all the latest information here. I want to show you guys some Futurecast here from Pivotal Weather, because I know we got a lot of football games tomorrow as well. There's going to be a lot of high school football games across the state, and I know a lot of those football games here, at least in Central Kentucky, the times have moved up. That way, some of these games could potentially get in without the weather disrupting them. So, this is the latest Futurecast. This is the HRRR model. Again, this is not exactly what's going to happen. It kind of gives us a little bit of an idea of what to expect as we head into tomorrow afternoon. This is around 1 p.m. Let me fix this real quick. There we go. Your timestamps at the top left there, just to the left of Futurecast. So this is 1 p.m. Central Time. You're not expecting really hardly anything going on tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon. As we get closer to, say, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock time frame, we start to see some pop-up thunderstorm activity here on the Futurecast, just north of Bowling Green. Again, this is not exactly how things are going to play out, but kind of gives you an idea of what to expect as we progress into tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. But we'll see these storms start to pop up somewhere between as early as 4 o'clock Central Time, 4 or 5 o'clock, especially east of I-65. We'll start to see these storms pop up. Again, any of these storms that pop up will have the potential to become strong to severe. They will be capable of producing damaging winds, potentially even some large hail and an isolated tornado or two. So we get into the 7 p.m. time frame that we see these storms that have popped up. We see them kind of develop. They'll start to move to the east. So now we're going to get into the eastern Kentucky. You start to see the Somerset area, even the Lexington area by 8 o'clock, that I-75 corridor, 8 o'clock Central Time. And then we kind of see that first wave kind of push off before we see a secondary wave of thunderstorm activity pop up around 10 o'clock. Again, don't think that any storm that pops up this late will have anything significant with it, but definitely could see, again, another round of strong to severe thunderstorm activity around 10 o'clock. Thunderstorms continue to pop up all the way up to 11 before we start to finally see those storms kind of slow down as we get into the 1 a.m., 2 a.m. time frame. Then we have another cluster of thunderstorms. At this point, anything as we get into the Saturday time frame, not expecting any type of severe weather, but still have another complex of shower activity moving across the central Kentucky area early Saturday morning. This is going to provide some additional rainfall for much of the state before the rain finally moves out by around noonish on Saturday. Again, this is according to the HRRR model. So one more time, again, don't want to focus too much on this particular model because this is just a futurecast simulation is all this is. But it does give us a kind of a decent idea of what to expect tomorrow. So again, one more time, it looks like around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see some thunderstorm activity develop somewhere around the I-65 corridor. These storms will push to the east over to the Somerset, the I-75 corridor by around 8 o'clock Central Time. And then we're looking at another round of thunderstorm activity develop somewhere around, say, 9, 10, 11 o'clock Central Time p.m. tomorrow before that round moves off to the east as well. So not a long video tonight. Again, didn't want to take a whole lot of your Thursday evening away from you guys, but I wanted to jump in here and again, just kind of go over what the Storm Prediction Center was showing for us and what the Futurecast radar kind of pointed for us tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So Zero Meter Chaser team will be on standby, ready for any type of live coverage tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, all the way up into tomorrow night. So we have everything ready here, ready to rock. So if any severe weather pops up tomorrow, we'll be live covering it. So you guys stay weather aware and stay tuned to our updates. We'll be updating very frequently over the next 24 hours, especially over the next 12 to 18 hours, preparing for a potential severe weather episode tomorrow afternoon and evening. So that's all I have for you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in for the latest information. You guys have a wonderful Thursday.